We're making stepping stones using rhubarb leaves. So you're gonna need concrete, Pam, we have shovels for some reason, sand, chicken wire, and rhubarb leaves, and also good wire cutters. So if they look like this, go buy new ones because these don't work very well. So we started with a square of chicken wire. You're gonna put your rhubarb leaf down on top of chicken wire, and then you're gonna cut around it into a square. And I just cut around it even more so that I have this rhubarb shaped one. And then what you're gonna do, I think, is you're gonna spray Pam onto the rhubarb, the leaf itself. And then you're gonna put concrete down, and then chicken wire, and then more concrete. Then you're gonna let it dry. And yeah, we're just gonna document that process, I guess. This is one of the bigger pieces that we have. It's like the size of my head. But they really only have to be as big as your feet because they're like stepping stones. You can also make bird baths out of these. That's when you'd want like a big one like this. But we're not doing that today. We're doing stepping stones. So ideally the size of your foot, a bit smaller but bigger, like give or take. Yeah, and that's the kind of size leaves that you're gonna be looking for. Just an FYI before I forget to say it. When you're pouring your Pam on, okay, you don't want to spray this side. Okay, you want to like have it upside down kind of, because this is gonna give your stone the nice rhubarb definition that you want, hopefully. And if you don't want the rhubarb definition, then don't use the rhubarb stones, just use concrete. Come on. So we have a 66-pound bag of concrete. We're putting 3.3 liters of water in it, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is it without the water. We're doing it in the wheelbarrow because we don't have a big enough bucket. So let's start mixing the concrete. We're using the Quickcrete brand. This is how you have to make like a little trench in your wheelbarrow, and wear gloves because apparently it's corrosive. So you really gotta get in there. I feel like we might need more water. This is the consistency of our concrete. And now we're gonna Pam the leaves. All right, now time for Pam. Remember to keep the ribby side up. Give her a nice, good layer of Pam. And now we're gonna do the other ones. These are 2 done stones. This chicken wire in the middle, that's Mom's. Hers looks better. And then there's mine. And this is our first time ever doing this, so we're not experts, but we are doing our best. Oh, smart idea. Chicken wire. Put your leaf down. And concrete. Not too thick. Don't want too thick. So you're gonna push it kind of out like that towards the leaves, and then you're also gonna go like that a bit with your hands so that it's not like really flaky, so it doesn't break when it's done. And you're just gonna cover the whole thing, this whole thing, in concrete. And then I'll show you how to do the chicken wire. Chicken wire is on, and now you're gonna cover that with concrete. This is what we have so far, and this one's too thin, so we have to add more concrete because you can see the chicken wire going through. This one's pretty cracky, but it's good. And this one is very nice and brown. And Mom's just doing some cleanup. And we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And this is how much we have left. They're all pretty good sizes. Here you can see the finished product. It's about the size of my foot. I have like a size 10, 11 women's foot, so it's pretty large. And then here's my hand also for reference. And they've been outside for quite a long time, so they've really withstood the weather.